Doesn't seem like weight loss drugs are just about everywhere you look, and a new one that could produce faster results might soon hit the market. But some companies are already selling it, even without FDA approval. And as NBC Connecticut's Jayne Chacko explains, they are not safe to use.
The experimental drug is called Retatrutide. You might see it as Reta or Triple G, not a scientifically accurate name, but it comes from the 3 hormones it mimics to suppress hunger, and they all start with the letter G. It's a once-a-week injection you take, but right now it's not publicly available. Pharma company Eli Lilly is testing it. They're in phase 3 of their clinical trials, testing it for obesity, knee pain, type 2 diabetes. And the phase 2 clinical trial results were pretty interesting. They found that people lost on average about 24% of their body weight, about 58 pounds in 48 weeks, which is faster than other weight loss drugs, according to an NBC News report. Now remember, this is not FDA approved. They're still doing testing, but at least 10 companies sold it online. And the FDA sent them warning letters for selling unapproved and misbranded drugs. I spoke to a doctor about why this is dangerous, and he says it's because you don't know what's in these drugs.
It could be more or less of a compound or an ingredient. Could be contaminated, maybe it wasn't sterile or stored properly. It's really important for injectable medications to make sure that it's actually sterile, it's stored properly. You're putting something directly into the body.
The drugs that are federally approved for weight loss, like these, have gone through rigorous testing and trials. To get a pulse check, we spoke to some people about how they feel about weight loss drugs, and some are skeptic.
I'm kind of just more natural. You just got to put in the work. And that's just how I see it.
People just want to get to the quickest way. And I think that sometimes heading towards using pills and stuff can cause a negative effect on people.
I don't think we fully understand all the things that go into hunger. And some people, if they are unable to decipher what that mechanism is for themselves, GLPs I think make a lot of sense.
So a lot of pros and cons to taking weight loss drugs. As for Retatrutide, more results from clinical trials are expected over the next year, and it still needs FDA approval before hitting the market. For NBC Connecticut, I'm Jayne Chacko.